Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to fill tax credit return form step by step. Start by sorting income forms like Form 1099 and employer statements into one folder to simplify entries. Next, gather receipts, bank statements, and proof of qualified expenses so calculations are accurate. Verify names, SSN, and EINs match exactly. Having everything organized reduces errors and speeds up the process for a clearer, less stressful filing experience. Begin filling the form by entering income totals from Form 1099 and W-2 onto the correct lines, taking care to match figures precisely. Use the credit worksheet to compute eligible amounts, including any carry-forward credits from previous filings, and transfer results carefully. Check math twice and confirm totals in each section before moving on. This steady approach avoids common mistakes and keeps your submission neat, auditable, and ready for filing without last-minute stress. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tax tips and step-by-step help. Quick recommendation: Automobile Life's Too Short for a Stinky Car, Grab Little Trees Black Ice. I've linked it in the description for convenience and deals. It's a lighthearted plug that keeps your car smelling fresh while you tackle paperwork. Thanks for the support. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Watch for common errors like missing receipts, transposed digits in SSNs or EINs, and mismatched totals between worksheets and the main form. Always cross-check entries line by line and ensure signatures and dates are present where required. Missing documentation or small arithmetic mistakes can trigger delays or audits, so take time to review. A quick second pass often catches issues and gives you confidence your return is complete and accurate before submission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.